In this video, I am just going to show you what my new iPhone 15 Pro Max looks like. Now, there's people that do these unboxings a lot more graceful than me, but I don't think I've ever been called graceful in my life, so we're just going to unbox this right here, right now. Welcome, everyone. I am just getting my hands on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, I'm imagining if you're watching this, you probably watched 100 of these. So I am going to try and give my own spin / take on it. I don't know what I can add that hasn't already been put out there, but let's have a look. It's always so satisfying. Listen to that. Anyways, always a sleek little box. I have to admit, I'm a little bit disappointed that they increase the price and take away the phone brick, the charging brick, you know what I mean. Anyway, ooh, it does feel lighter in your hand. It's nice and shiny. Can you see that right there? Hopefully. Anyway, the probably main thing is it actually feels a lot lighter. On top of that, I'm going to unbox my, well, let me correct, not my lovely wife's Apple SE watch, the latest generation. So let me explain that. I have brought her over to the converted. She's now decided she's going to commit to the Apple ecosystem. Primarily with the last phone she had, when there was an issue with the camera, it was a bit of a process to get it fixed and sent away. Whereas my personal experience with Apple has been quite smooth and seamless. I do have my 15 Pro Max here. I'm yet to set it up, so I really don't know what I'm waiting for. New phones are always so shiny, but I digress. This is her watch. I do have a little tip. If you're like me and you prefer shooting on the back camera, but perhaps you want to take a selfie, I do have a solution to framing yourself in the shot. It's actually quite a very basic but ingenious. I learnt this from somebody else, but please don't even ask me where because I don't remember. And there you have it. You can frame yourself in the shot. You open up the camera app on the camera remote, I believe the app is called, on your phone, and you can see yourself here. Use the better cameras on the back and take an awesome selfie. In saying that, if the lighting is fine, I don't suspect you would need to really worry too much. But if you're insistent on using the best lens and the best camera, and you're not quite sure what you look like in relation to, I guess, framing, this is the solution. Anyways, that was just a very short video. I'm hoping I can try and give a bit more value through some upcoming videos. So if there's anything specifically tech related that you think is missing in this world, or, you know, perhaps you just want another perspective, opinion, let me know. I'd be keen to see what, you guys are all wanting. See you.